Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the error unable to use downloads with the denied permissions in settings on your Samsung internet browser on the Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and in here you can see that when I try to download a PDF file from the internet browser, it will come up with this error message. So what you want to do is, while you are in your Samsung internet browser, you tap on the settings button down here, and then in settings you go down and you tap on permissions. Then you go down and you see this icon right here, files and media. Tap on files and media, and you want to tap on allow access to media only, and then we go back, tap on back key to go back to your internet browser, and now this time try to download the file again, and you should have no problem with the error message. And that's it. Provided that you have a connection to your internet, you should be able to download the file. Okay, so I have to go to another site to download the files, and just tap on the download button, and this time you should be able to download without the error. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.